Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix error code CE-10005-6 on PS5 with some simple and effective steps. This error usually happens when a game fails to install or copy properly. First, restart your PS5 to clear any temporary glitches, then try installing the game again. Next, check your internet connection if you are downloading digitally and make sure it is stable and fast enough. After that, if you're using a disk, clean the disk gently and make sure there are no scratches or dirt causing read issues. Now, go to Settings, Storage, and make sure you have enough free space available for the installation. Also, try rebuilding the database by starting your PS5 in safe mode and selecting Rebuild Database option. This can fix corrupted data problems. Finally, update your system software to the latest version and try again, and the error should be resolved successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.